Hello friends, in this video, I will tell you what are the website or which are the websites you can download softwares for your Windows computer. So before starting the video, I would request you to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's get started. The first website that you can download softwares for your Windows computer are the first one is filehippo.com. Filehippo.com is a very good website. It's a very beautifully designed website. You can download a lot of softwares. Next one is nilsoftnet. Please note, I will give this link of each of these websites in the description of this video. If anybody would like to access any of these websites, you can click on the link and you will be there on the website of your choice. So the second website is nilsoft.net. This is a very good website. You can download a lot of softwares from here. Next one is nightnight.com. This is also very good, very well designed website, very clean, simple website. You can download a lot of softwares from. Next one is Softpedia is a very famous website. Many of you would know already about this website. You can download a lot of softwares from this website. Next one is downloadcrew.com. This is also very good, very well designed, very beautiful, very simple website. You can download any type of software you want to be used on your Windows computer. Next one is filehorse.com. It's also very good, very clean website. You can download softwares from. And the last one is majorgeeks.com. This is also a very good website. You can download a lot of softwares from. So friends, these are the websites you can use for downloading the softwares of your choice. These websites are very reliable. These are very clean, free of any bugs, any viruses. You can rely on them. There will be no issue with your system or your computer. So friends, if you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.